Inspiration. I'm back with another video. I just want you to see this hair and let's just get into this tutorial.
Today we are using HOTBRAIDS natural black roots with honey brown, honey blonde highlights. Their new crochet hair in the inch 22. As you can see, I am showing you the new crochet style that they have, which is something that you can do, utilize with braids. You can utilize with twists, but right now we are just going to install a cute curly afro. Right now I'm just taking my crochet needle and I'm just taking maybe about 3 to 4 strands and I'm placing that in my hair. Now what I can say is you can do one strand at a time, but for us the back is going to fill in by itself, so I prefer to do 3 to 4 pieces so I can work my way up into the front. Now you did see my braid pattern. It wasn't the strongest braid pattern that I've ever done, so kind of do as I say versus is what I do. I would like for you to do smaller braids and make sure you take a needle and thread and braid that down in the back. Right now I'm kind of moving along really fast because I mean you all seen me do so many crochets over time, and if you are new here, crochet is absolutely the easiest thing that you can do. It has a lot of benefits. Crochet hair is super low maintenance and it lasts a long time. This is actual human, 100% human hair with no synthetic fibers or non-chemical process. So this hair will last at least up to 1 year with proper care and maintenance, and it can go even longer. The hair can be straightened, colored, and bleached. And it's super seamless, it's super natural, and especially once you get to that front, you're gonna start seeing me only use between 1 or even 2 pieces because I'm gonna make it mimic my natural hair. And I can assure you nobody ever assume it is not my natural hair. I cannot tell y'all how many times I get so many compliments saying, oh my god, your curls are absolutely gorgeous. So it's super easy for a healthy scalp, it's help for healthy hair. It enhances your versatility or what you can do to your natural hair. Plus it's an amazing protective hairstyle. I cannot stress how much my hair has grown since wearing more crochets, because obviously I have my hair put up in braids, and you can even still oil your scalp, and you can wash your hair with this crochet in, because once again it is 100% human hair. The thing that I love about their hair is you only need one bundle, and one bundle it equals about 3 to 5 bundles from like any other hair company, so you're not overspending. It's thick from root to tip with naturally tapered ends. It's tangle free and minimum shedding with proper care. It's easy styling and holds the curl very, very well. It blends seamless with natural transitioning or relaxed hair. I personally always just put all of my hair up, and I always create a faux middle part, or you can even do a side part if you would like, just depending. I just so happen to be obsessed with my middle parts lately because everybody always giving me compliments on the middle part, but you can always do like a side part, or you could just do this for anything else. You can even add it into like making a ponytail. You can do anything with this. And say if you did want to be a little bit more versatile, you could even make it kind of like you would say a flip over, so you can leave your edges out if you would like to blend a little bit more in the front to where you can do a ponytail. For me and my crochets, I pull my hair back, but at most, even when I'm working out, I've never done a ponytail. I love my curls to just flow. You just feel so much more feminine in my opinion, but I do understand sometimes we do need to pull it back. But this is great for gym hair. After you're done, all you have to do is put a few products in it and it's good to go. As you can see, the hair looks kind of fluffy, so I'm digging this, but we're gonna do something different. I'm just gonna show you what this can look like for the original install, so when you get your hair, do not be like, why don't my hair look as defined as hers from the picture, because this is what it's gonna look like. But do not stress, I'm going to show you exactly how you're gonna get those defined curls. Now if you want to stay here and just do like kind of like a big curly afro. It's super beautiful that way. So it's kind of mimicking like a 4B, 4C, 4A, whichever one, just a type 4 hair texture. But once you define your curls, it's going to go into like the 3B, 3C hair texture. I am loving this afro because right now I feel like Beyonce and Gold member. I look just like her. I love it. Right now on my hair, I'm just adding in like a mousse. You can do like a lot of body. I'll put everything in the description box as well. But you can do like a lot of body. They have the most depth. But your best friend is definitely going to be water. And then anything that you really do to define your curls with your natural hair, you'll be mimicking the same thing with this hair. Look how gorgeous those curls are. So like I said, you're going to see it frizzy at first upon the install. And then after that, you'll just place water. That's water. And then I'm adding the mousse. And then I'm defining my hair with the brush. And it doesn't take long. Excuse all my faces. That's just how I am when I'm combing my hair. But you can kind of be a little rough. At least as you can see, I'm being a little bit more rough on the hair. So this is something that's going to last very long. And once it's going to be also easy to take this down. So this crochet style is going to last you about 3 months. You can go a little bit longer if you wanted to. I typically only wear mine for about a month and then I'll take it down. The takedown is fairly easy. You just find your string, you cut it, and then you find your first braid, and then you start unbraiding it. Once you start unbraiding it, the crochet itself will literally just unravel with the braid. And as you can see, we are all done. So I just wanted you to see how the original color looked before I actually add in a new color, just to show you the versatility of this hair. Okay, right now we're going to use my As I Am. We're going to use 2 different colors. I think it's like copper and a gold one. First of all, the hair was beautiful without this, but it was just calling my name to add some more highlights to this hair, and I am so happy I did. Look how beautiful this new color is. Like, I love the original color, but this new color is a banger. You see, it's just a little bit more vibrant. This one, the first one, is giving a little bit more like an ash blonde, and then this one is kind of giving a little bit more of that deeper honey blonde. But you definitely should get this color because it makes it easier to add the highlights, and it lasts for up to like a week, or at least like until your wash day. For me, it did not go on my pillows or anything because I know people always ask about that. But I would definitely suggest for you to put a bonnet on.
Okay, now that we are done, I just want to give you some of my thoughts behind it. So when you first install the hair, just don't get discouraged when you see it like kind of get frizzy, because as you can see, the curls do get defined, and these curls are dry, so it's not like they look like this when they're wet. They look different when they're dry. But I will say, as you wear the hair though, it will go ahead and get like, you know, you see like a little frizz or whatever, make it extra big, and it's not like overly like a loose curl. I would say that the curl is just going to get a little bit more tighter. So with that being said, I absolutely do love the hair. I do feel like you have to keep it moisturized, because like for me, after a day, like I said, it'll kind of get really big, and sometimes it can get frizzy. All you would need is some mousse to fix that. It's not gonna ruin it. Do some mousse, and then take your blow dryer and just make sure you get it like pretty dry, or you can let it air dry if depending on what type of timing that you have. But this is so cute. I'm so in love. Like, it really mimics my real hair. Like, I would say this is pretty much the texture of my real hair. And thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you pretend.